Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment today with a bathtub that is plugged up. They just had some contractor in to do some tile work, and we're pretty sure a lot of stuff went down the drain. So we're gonna see what we can find. I'm going to use the K39. And here we go. Hello. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. So we didn't pull anything out, but that's pretty obvious because if it was just grout and whatnot from the toilet or from the tiles, you're not going to pull anything out. You're just going to break it up. So we're just going to be running the water for a while. I'm going to tell the tenant to run the water for a while and let everything kind of wash out. I'm going to let her come in here and sanitize her bathroom since we were snaking. And yeah, that's about it for this one. This has been Jay, that drain guy. Don't forget to like, share, comment if you like the video. And Chiragna.